Welcome home to an immaculately kept complex. The electricity, Wi-Fi, cable and water are included in the rent here. There is a designated parking spot right outside your front door. Just inside the front door is a lovely breakfast bar with 2 beautiful bar-height chairs. The fully equipped kitchen offers a gas stove with hood, microwave, fridge, stainless sink and lots of storage. Located between the kitchen and the bedroom. Use it in the manner that best suits you. This can be used as a pantry or linen closet as it is between the kitchen and the bathroom. Modern lines and decor. A full-size couch with end and coffee table. Complete the living room with your pictures or trophies on the glass shelf above the couch. The kitchen flows to the eating area and the living room. Keep cool with the system that you prefer. Shot from the opposite direction. The living room has its own split air conditioning unit. A comfy bed, a well-lit room. Natural breezes or split AC. A sitting area, a different angle of bed and closet. Or draw the drapes for a restful sleep. A roomy bed and lots of closet space for all of your personal belongings. A flat screen for your entertainment. And a chest of drawers for additional room for your personal belongings. A large shower stall where you can wash off the sand after a long day at the beach. The rest of the bathroom. The property is equipped with a large generator with an automatic transfer switch. If the generator is required for an extended period of time, the tenants will be required to contribute towards the cost of the fuel. Call to make your appointment to view this or one of the other apartments in this complex.